Good morning guys, welcome back to another Doza vlog. It's been a while since I've filmed any content or posted any content, and that's because I've been moving into my new house. Today is Sunday, the second Sunday of June, so that means there's cars and coffee on today. Honestly, I've really missed you guys. It has been a busy last few weeks, obviously with moving the house, and it feels so good to be back filming and posting content again. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for so much more content on the way. I've got heaps of new ideas that I want to take action on, like in-depth car reviews, and I've already got a few cars lined up, so I think that'll be some awesome content to film. And I'm also gonna venture out a little bit and start doing some food reviews and different types of videos, all in all, like venture out from just doing car content. Let's get into this cars and coffee video and enjoy the morning. Holy shit, super foggy this morning. I haven't seen this much fog in a while. We are just down the road from getting my mate Jordan. So this is going to be Jordan's first time in the CLS 63. God damn, that sun is bright this morning.
How you doing?
Good bro, how are you?
Not bad, you?
Not bad. Did you hear me coming down?
Did I hear you coming down?
Did you get excited?
I'm pretty excited.
Jordan's first boost in the CLS.
Jesus Christ! What the fuck?
Fucking hell.
Shit.
Fuck, it goes good, eh?
This goes real good.
He got out of the way, didn't he? Dark horse. Still nice and early, which is good. We can get lots of cool shots of the cars coming in. Already a few older boys here with their classic cars. Hot rod team, that's pretty cool. Got the bro Brandon's E36 Beamer. Whoa. Pretty cool old school Beamer. E24 CSI 635. Shelby. Fuck, look at that carbon fiber. Carbon fiber diffuser. Carbon fiber on the rear boot, that's sick. I don't know if you guys can see that. Big exhaust, you can put my whole arm in that thing, bro. Holy heck. Shelby Super Snake. Bro, those wheels are sick too. Fuck yeah. Bro, that's a nice bit of kit. Bro, honestly, that's probably one of the coolest Fords I've ever seen. I don't usually like Fords, but fuck, I would rock that. STI. Yeah. W124. Oh, that's sick. Is it a 190E? It is a 190E, that's sick.
I can't see.
Bro, that's cool. Hard. I've always wanted one of these old Mercedes. The star emblem on the front and the headlight washers, that's sick. Here's Kerry, the 3-rotor Altezza. Fuck, that thing's loud. Yeah.
All the tow stroke coming in.
Is the 190E manual? It's dog leg manual, eh?
Yeah, it's a 5-speed dog leg. Do you want to have a look under there if you're taking a bit of film?
Yeah, go on. Cosworth engine, eh?
Yeah.
That's sick. 4-cylinder.
Yeah.
Buzzy, I always thought it was an 1.6. That's cool. They make a bit of grunt for a 4-cylinder, eh?
Yeah, it's just under 200 horse, so it's plenty.
Yeah.
It's got, just really nice to drive. Look at it, it's just really well balanced.
Yeah, that's awesome. I love the old square boxy shape of these Mercs.
Yeah.
They look so classy. How long have you had this for?
Sister had it for about 20 years. We got imported from the UK back in 97, I think.
Yeah.
And she had it stored up in a garage for about 10 years. It was just languishing, so
Yeah.
took it off the hands and got it back on the road.
Yeah, good stuff. That's awesome. Great to
It needs
see.
to be driven, it doesn't like sitting still.
Yeah. Got to get the fluids moving, eh? Yeah. No, what a wicked car, man.
It's good.
You don't see many of them.
No.
There's not a lot on the road anymore.
Definitely not, no.
There's people out when they first see it.
That's real cool. And the headlight wipers.
Yeah.
What's your name, man?
Chris.
I'm Zane.
Hey, Zane.
Nice to meet you, man. I've got that CLS.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I love my Mercs. The BMG store GT86. It's got a single turbo kit on it. Dyno. They should have come at the factory with a turbo on it. The 4-cylinder Boxer with no turbo is just not enough grunt. What do you reckon of the CLS?
Oh, yeah, they're lovely, eh?
They are. Such a unique body shape. Pretty clean Golf. Not usually the biggest fans of Golfs, but that's done quite well. Does he?
And he's got like no joke.
Bro, going for a ride in that thing was the most craziest experience ever. Definitely probably the most wild car I've ever been for a ride in. Is that rotary Altezza. Yeah, that Altezza makes like 850 horsepower. And an Altezza.
Yeah.
Bro, those
It weighs
Altezza
half as
chassis,
much.
those Altezza chassis are not built for making that much power, eh? It feels wild. Handles it well though. Bro, that's your favourite car? That's Suzuki? That's sick. No, but if you guys have not seen my Chrome video from in Christchurch, I went for a ride in that Altezza and it was wild. You guys have to see it. I'll put the link up here so you can watch it if you haven't seen it. What's your favourite car here so far, Jordan?
I can't say that Altezza because that's kind of unfair.
It is
I mean,
unfair,
it's a rotary Altezza.
You can say the Altezza.
Well, the Altezza then.
The Altezza? Fair enough. 3-rotor turbo Altezza makes 850 horsepower. It's pretty crazy. I'm surprised he hasn't popped the hood yet. %, the coolest Altezza I've ever seen. Bro, that Aston Martin's sick. DB9.
Is that his name?
Awesome car, man.
Even with the cockroach?
Even with the cockroach. Does this got the V12 in it?
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah, naturally aspirated V12.
Naturally aspirated V12.
It's just got that amazing sound.
Yeah, fucking oath. It's hard to beat. Thought it gives plenty of grunt too. G'day.
Yeah, it's dangerous, eh? Wife took it for a drive the first time and got a, what was the ticket? $300 and 30 demerits.
Sounds about right.
It's my fault though for not turning on the radar detector.
Yeah, yep.
Clearly.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Not too easy. Have a good one, man.
Yeah, you too, man.
Naturally aspirated V12. So yeah, no, that's definitely your favourite car, Jordan.
100%, let's go.
Suzuki X90. What a weapon. What a weapon.
What a weapon.
That's pretty sick.
There's so many people that know a lot about their own car. You know why they made this?
What?
BMW was hitting a low point in their sales, so they made this as a cheap, reliable daily. So made it, and that's what brought them back from the dead.
That's sick.
That's true fact.
The more you know, Jordan. Chocolate first, yeah boy. Hot mocha on a cold Sunday morning goes good. It's good to see that people are still coming out even when it's a bit chilly. Got a Crown. I used to own one of these and they're actually pretty awesome cars. There's another one. Dirty 2.
Hey mate, how you doing?
Fuck yeah. What a weapon! Fuck, that's cool. Fucking hell, look at the size of the supercharger on that thing. What a weapon. What's up, boys?
Hey, how you doing, man?
Good, man. How are you guys?
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad.
You alright?
Yeah, bloody oath. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'd love to do that.
Fucking oath.
I'd love to do that.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, Jane.
Hey, Oscar.
So many of them.
So many of them. Fucking hell. Up Pacific. Real car! Fucking Hilux, up the Hilux. Finlay's RS5's pretty clean. Looks really good in white. That is one fluffy cute dog. I'll do it again. Sounds good. Hoofing it. Not bad. Fucking hell, that Altezza sounds so good. Well, that sounds nuts. Sounds good. Oh, he's full. back. I missed you guys. What do you reckon?
You hit that hoe.
I hit that hole. Downshift.
Yeah, boy.
Right, I need to take Philip for a drive on this thing. He would love it.
Can I think what?
You ready for this?
No.
Let's put it into neutral real quick.
The turbos. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's insane.
Those turbo spools, eh?
These guys must all hate you so much.
They actually love it. What did you reckon about that, Jordan?
There's not much to say, really.
What a fucking motor!
So much slower, bro, taking off.
That's crazy.
You just have
eh?
no traction.
That's good comparison.
Yeah.
Bit of a thing you love.
What the fuck?
Yeah, boy. And that,
You just felt it and you had to, didn't you?
I just had to.
Traction was already off. And
The temptation was too strong.
Yeah.
And that is how you play Forza Horizon 7 in real life.
Yeah.
New Zealand
New
edition.
Zealand edition too.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. It feels so good to be back. Stay tuned for lots more videos to come. I've got heaps of ideas in the works, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment on what you thought about the video, and leave a like. And turn those post notifications on so you don't miss any future videos. Fucking love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.